How to fix Tinder app unavailable or blocked on Play Store. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how we can fix app unavailable or blocked on Play Store. So without any further ado and without any delay, let's get started with today's video. If your Tinder app is showing app unavailable or blocked on your Play Store, this could be due to a couple of reasons. Now, first of all, make sure that the Tinder app meets your minimum device requirements. It could be that your device might not be meeting the requirements in order to use it. Second, ensure that you're updated to the latest version on your Android device. Open up settings on your Android and check if you have received a software update. If you do have any type of update available for your device, make sure to update it to the latest version. You can also try to free up storage. So come over here to settings, go to your storage settings, whichever Android phone you're using, and ensure that you have got plenty of storage left, because if you're running out of storage, that could also be the issue. You can try to clear the Play Store's cache files. So long press the Play Store app icon, tap on the eye icon, which is going to take us to our app information page. And from here, we can simply scroll down to the storage tab. And from storage, we can clear the cache files and we can also clear the data. After we've done that, simply open up your Play Store again, tap on your Play Store profile from the top right hand side, go to settings, go to about, and select update Play Store and ensure that your Play Store is up to date. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.